Jaz sem Urša Rojnik, sem soustanoviteljica Društva za otroke sveta. Cilji so, da bi čim bolj pomagali lokalnim šolam. Zdaj imamo najprej v cilju Mobeto lokalno šolo, ki ima velik problem zaradi tega, ker so iz vrtca postaja šola in država zahteva, da je vrtec in šola, da sta narazen in nujno potrebujejo pomoč prostovoljcev z sredstvi za material, pomoč prostovoljcev, da bi prišli zidati. Kakor boste pač videli, so stanje v učilnicah je zelo slabo. Otroci se učijo v zelo prašnih učilnicah, brez elektrike, nimajo tekoče vode, strop pač pada, kar bo padel en na glavo. Polomljeni stoli, žeblji stolov, mize so uničene, table so uničene, WC-ji so umazani, pač vse je neurejeno in nujno potrebujemo ljudi, ki bi prišli to stanje pogledati in nam potem pomagali, da to v bistvu šolo uredimo, da bi bile razmere boljše za učence in za učitelje.
My name is Isaac Biaga. I came here, I have about 25 years now in this school. Yeah. We need sponsors for our kids, build our school, like primary grade 1 to 6 and our nursery school. You know we're supposed to transfer. Yeah. Here should be the primary school, there nursery school. Yeah.
My name is Musa Fall, working for Charity PAL the Gambia in collaboration with Zaostrokes Veta from Slovenia. We are a small charity, try to help kids going to school and helping them in their daily activities, like helping them to get some money for health, or for transportation when going to school, and sometimes when they get sick, we tend to gather some funds for them to help them go to a better hospital. Because Slovenia is a small country, just like Gambia, but they are doing a big job in our country, and Gambians are proud of them. We are very proud of Slovenia, because there are bigger countries than Slovenia who are richer in resources, but they are not helping us. So if a country like Slovenia, being very small, helping over 126 kids in our country, that's a plus. That's a big plus. They're paying school fees for kids. They're giving them monthly allowance. They're helping them when they are sick. This is all what you can do to help a girl child or a boy child to go to school. And so far so good. They are making a big change in the country. They are making a big change. There are many volunteers helping the charity. We can't name all of them, just to name a few. But we are proud of all of them who, or in one way or the other, is putting his or her money in the charity. So once again, we say big thank you to all of you. Big thank you. God bless you all. God bless Slovenia. God bless the Gambia. Voila.